Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make fried shrimp, and it's also called salt and pepper shrimp. This is a very easy recipe, please stay tuned. And here are the ingredients: tempura batter mix, 1 pound of shrimp, chicken base mix, salt and pepper. The first thing we need to do is season our shrimp. We will need to add in about half teaspoon of chicken base mix and a half teaspoon of salt. Last but not least, a half teaspoon of black pepper. And now we could take a spoon and mix all of the ingredients together. After we mix all the seasoning into the shrimp, now let's add in about half cup of our mixed batter. And this is a tempura batter mix. And now we can take our spoon and gently stir the shrimp into the batter mix until it's nicely incorporated. Once the batter mix coated the shrimp nicely, we can start warm up our oil. In a small pot, we will add about ½ inch of oil. We use vegetable oil, or you can use canola oil, any oil that could take in a high heat. And we'll heat up the pan in low-medium heat. And now, once the oil is heated, we could add in our shrimp. And we will cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 to 3 minutes, or after the shrimp become nicely golden brown, we will flip it to the other side. After we flip it, we will fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes or until it become nicely golden brown. Once it's done, it should look something like this. And we will fry another batch the same way, using the same oil. Our fried shrimp is done, guys. Now let's garnish it with some green onions. This is one of my favorite dish and also one of my family favorite dish. It's crunchy and full of flavor. We like to eat it with a bowl of steamed rice or by itself as an appetizer. It's great for potluck and also great for dinner, lunch, or brunch. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.